Hey folks, getting ready for spring planting. A couple years ago I built my wife this planter box, and I was thinking, you might want to get in early. I just found some remesh and some, little wire and stuff, tied it together. Then I just took some heavy duty vapor barrier, poly, plastic, and a couple pieces of parchment and iron that's kind of junky, because sometimes you slip and you melt the plastic on it and your wife gets mad at you. So I just welded the plastic together and we'll see how it fits. Be back in a sec. Oh, look at that. They got a greenhouse. I don't have a method of keeping that from blowing off. I think I'm going to take a couple little chunks of ground strap and make some loops on there, have some loops like a hinge so the thing can tip up this way. And over on this side, I'll just have a tab that I can bend over and hold it down. But there we go. Greenhouse.